today we're back with another video. It's going to be showing our updated fidget collection. As you saw, if you saw the first video, you already know it. We had some good fidgets. If you're wondering in the last Leaf Challenge why I didn't show my face, this is why. Don't know if you can see on camera, but I got hit by a swing.
It's not that bad anymore.
Yeah, but I got hit by a swing, so when it first, it was really bad, so I didn't want to go and show it on camera. Because, as you probably understand why. Thank you guys.
If you knew who I am, I'm his little sister, but we're not that far apart.
I don't know what you mean by that.
It means that you're turning 10 and I'm turning 8, so we're not that far apart of age.
Oh, okay, I'm really confused. Sorry about that, guys, I'm really confused. Like, what? Right, so, I've got what I'm going to say. It doesn't matter. Poppy, would you like to start showing your new fidgets? These are new fidgets, not the fidgets from the last video, and those just new ones.
I might be showing my dimple digit again.
Because she really, really likes that. So, sister, get on with the showing. And why are you going behind me? That's
because my
weird.
fidget's back there.
We're in my room this time, guys. The Finder Games Lab. There's a water bottle there. Because I was editing videos last night. I was editing a video that might be able to come out either today or tomorrow. It was a Jurassic World video. Nope. Dang it, I shouldn't have said that. Why would I say something like this? This is
I've
just
got my
bad.
poppets and dimples there.
She's going to do poppets and dimples first. Jesus Christ!
These are all my poppets.
It's the evolution of the world.
So if you're wondering that all these poppets are a lot, I have way more.
Yeah.
I
put you in book there. Who are like, what?
Yeah, I have a lot more in my tub.
Yeah,
so
but
first,
they're not new
a
ones.
glow in the dark poppet.
If I turn off my light, we won't be able to actually. Guys, this might get a bit dark.
It is working a little bit.
Is it? Guys, is it glowing? I can't. It looks like it's glowing.
But they won't. Okay.
Oh no, let's get the light back on, please, thank you.
We need light.
We need light in this room. It's pitch black in here.
I'm going to do a test for all.
That's pretty damn good.
Both sides are good.
Yeah.
And this is what I knew is for until my brother is still very, very scared of the dark.
Shut up! You've said it like 9 times. I'm not. You're the one scared of the dark. You need a nightlight. And why would you just throw your poppet across the room?
Because it's my poppet.
Poppet squeeze.
England / America?
Nobody has pink on their flag. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but it's the closest to red. But the popping is
It is
good.
the closest. I don't even know what pink's closest. So it's definitely not red. They're opposite colours.
Purple.
Look at that face. What the hell? Look at this.
You don't know.
Wow, that's If anyone's ever watched The Loud House, Luann, the Joker, is kind of like me. She's like this when with Mr. Coconuts. Wow. How can they, mate? That one was fantastic, Mr. Coconuts. I don't know.
Even popping.
Let me know in the comments if it's good. If it's a good impression. I don't know.
Good side.
It's trash. I think it's trash, to be honest. Yeah, that sounds like SpongeBob.
Guys, this is stupid. Finlay, you're trying to hurt my poppet.
Is it ASMR with Poppy now? When you're going to get your own channel? Guys, if she gets a channel, it might be called ASMR Poppy.
No, it won't be.
So, she's going to do ASMR.
No, it's going to be fun Poppy. Have some fun with Poppy.
Ooh, when you're making your channel, sister. You better not make your channel better than mine, guys. Subscribe to me before you subscribe to her. You better not subscribe.
I'm little.
Don't give all the love to her. Give some love to...
I'm going to be new.
Give some love to me, too. Give some love to me.
You only have 4 subscribers.
Shut it! I want people to subscribe. Please. If you hit that subscribe button, it might turn red. You know, I don't know. It might.
Hopefully it will.
Try it. Hit that subscribe button. It might turn red. Also, but yes, please. Subscribe.
And sometimes he might do a shout out with some of his videos.
Oh, speaking of shout out, Oh, elephant puppet. We have a couple of shout outs now. Of a couple of friends. For a couple of friends.
With my unicorn.
Mia.
Unicorn.
Big shout out to Mia Richardson. Let's get a round of applause. A big shout out to our good friend Phoebe, who's right now on holiday because she can't be here with us, unfortunately. But let's give it a round of applause. Woo! Another good friend Maisie. Let's give her a round of applause. Woo! 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 And of course we need to give sister a shout out. Woo! Yeah, they're all the shout
I'm
out.
just breaking my
When the
pocket
comments
here.
get fixed, guys, you just comment my favourite dinosaur emoji when the comments get fixed. Or if they're fixed for you. I
Is
don't
it
know.
already fixed for you?
Just comment, guess my favourite dinosaur emoji. Whoever gets it right in the next video, which might be a last to leave, we're not sure. Might be a last to leave.
I'm trying to break my poppy.
Might be a last to leave. But we'll give whoever gets it correct. Say 9 people guessed it correct, we'll give 9 people a shout out. That's how this is going to work, people.
Unicorn poppet.
That's how this is going to work.
Unicorn poppet. Unicorn poppet.
Okay, get on with this. This is already 6 minutes in and you've only showed 4 poppets. Come on.
Not
Make it
5.
5. Get on with it.
This poppet.
Oh, gosh. Yo, is that an ice cream?
Yeah.
What the hell did you get now?
Ice cream poppy.
Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me.
What?
We need some backup. Guys, I'm going to go get backup.
Need some backup. Are you serious?
Backup.
He's getting snappers. He's
Wow! I'm knocking stuff up! No, that can't have been shown. That better not have been shown. That's for another video.
Look at snappers!
Yay!
Yeah, it showed Finley.
Whee! That is also for the next video, guys. Bit of a teaser. Try to guess what the next video is going to be about.
Dinosaurs.
No, but what does that logo mean? What? Wait, where's the logo?
Jurassic World.
Yeah, it's definitely not Jurassic World, guys.
It
no,
is.
No one can sit on snappers.
It is.
This is way more comfortable.
Now we're onto the dimples.
This is actually way more comfortable. I can just throw my fidgets in its mouth. Any fidgets that we've already shown can just go in his mouth.
And the bad side is in Spanish. Una dress.
Capio.
Let me.
Running on
Una
a horse.
dress.
Get on with this. We're nearly 10 minutes into a video.
Una dress. Chuka bukayaka.
That doesn't even make any sense to me. Get on with it. I bet you guys find our videos so boring. But Jesus.
I'm not boring. You're boring. A butterfly dimple that you've never seen before.
Shut it.
Don't want me. Finley, please can I
Get over your fidgets now. Stop weeing them when I'm going to go. And why did my door just randomly open? That is weird. Close, please. Dang it. Oh. Well.
We'll just do a random.
Weird. This is so random. Oh, jeez. He's got a lot of fidgets coming now. You guys.
Right.
Should we do this together? She's showing all of her needles.
Needles! This.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
I do have a fidget pad, but I don't know where
Guys,
it
she
is.
has the biggest needle in the world.
Oh, Finley, I was supposed to be for now.
Sorry.
I hate you.
Dang it. I always do something
I
weird.
hate him.
Yo, all of your needles went under my bed. Why did you just throw that? You just toss that back. You've already been shown. Put it over here. Would have shown.
No, we're going to show it last again.
Fine, we'll show it at the end.
Wacky cha-cha. DIY wacky jack, wacky jack jack, wacky jack, wacky jack, wacky jack, wacky jack,
Wacky track. Who wants us to make a song video with everyone, all of our friends? Who wants us to make a song video?
And
subscribe
at the end we have a surprise for you.
If we get 10 subscribers in the next week, we'll do a music video. No. I swear if you double dog dare me to do that, I'm going to
double dog dare ya.
Dang it. Shouldn't have said anything. Well, guys, stay tuned to the end, because I'm going to have to do something really weird. Dang it. Gosh, has to do that.
You don't know how to do it.
Simple dimple.
Pop and squeeze.
Pop it.
Pop and squeeze.
The Baba
Monkey
lie.
die. Monkey noodles.
Monkey noodles. Why do you have so many? You've got a pink, you've got a blue, you've got a red. Why are the red and pink so dirty?
I have more.
Jesus, the
Snappers.
snappers. There's a Minnie Mouse.
I think those were... Where are my fidgets?
Oh, you've got some down there. Guys, she's literally got the world's biggest snake. Jesus. Guys, let me solve that, please. I need to solve those. I love snakes.
So, marble meshes.
Yeah, she has a tie-dye marble
I have the rare one. About to all.
Is it actually called moon ball? Thanks. Look, that's a bouncy ball. Dang it. These are called moon balls for a reason. They bounce. Notice the moon.
A snake.
Don't try that.
A jumbo
That's very
snake.
dangerous.
A jumbo snake. What Phoebe gave me for my tie-dye rainbow poppet. Did you just jump?
No.
He just jumped.
I've never farted on camera before, apart from the last to leave. Maisie caught me.
I know. The last one.
Also, guys, behind the scenes of the last to leave, Maisie said something really funny. Do you remember what it was like? Like, I think it might have been in the video. But it was something about.
I think she like in there.
No, when she screamed at the end. I forgot what it was. Something like crunchy. I don't know.
Crunchy quick.
Yeah, something like that. I don't know.
And I'm pregnant. This is a hint for the end, what we're doing. And this is what's going to be in me when we do it.
Alright, move on. Move.
I'm already done.
I'm showing my fidgets. Move, please.
Okay, just those fidgets.
Ah! Only puppets first, thanks. I only need my puppets. Right, first I'm going to show this puppet. It is a bracelet.
What I have. What I gave him.
Yay.
Well, what I gave to Mia.
And then she gave it to me, then I tried it with me, then we traded it back. This is very weird, but that's what happens in life. Next. Oh, wait, no, I'm going to save him to the end. Burger Boy! I have to make sure that I didn't rip my teeth out moving up. That's just random. Yay! I gave him a controller. It's time to game, y'all. Meow.
Little baby turtle we found on the ocean.
Flip the baby. Now the big guns. If you're a big fan, you know that. Ah, don't break it!
Look at him!
Godzilla. Yeah.
You can't see him.
He thick.
You're supposed to go like that.
He thick. He got a thick bum, look, guys. Look at his bum. Thick, man.
Wait, let me see his bum.
His bum thick. Ew, why would you lick someone's bum?
Ew, it actually tastes
It looks like you're crying.
I am.
Guys, you know, if you watched the first video, you know that this is my big wacky trap. And this is a new colour.
I'm giving birth.
That colour. Yeah, it's a big. Oh, God. That's toxic waste. You give birth to a... This is a flying spinner. You put it on your finger, you spin it. I'm not doing it in here because I'll probably crash my and break a hole in my ceiling. What are you doing? I can't imagine how many subscribers you're going to get in your channel. You're probably going to make me get 0. Yeah, guys, if you get 10 subscribers by 2 days... Stop like you must smash the camera. By 2 days... If we can get 10 subscribers by 2 days, we'll make a big music song. A music song video. While I'm doing this, she's destroying
my back.
the universe. As I'm doing this, she's destroying everything. As you can see here, guys, I've got a normal marble mesh, and I've got a tiny marble mesh. A jumbo marble mesh, teeny marble mesh. I think she's buying. Meanwhile, she's buying
My back.
a fidget pad. Woo!
An infinity cube.
You know you have both infinity cubes, y'all.
And a needle.
Yay,
A
green.
neon needle.
Yeah, what she gave to me yesterday.
And 2 bouncy balls.
That's actually 2 moon balls.
No.
Yeah, these are
No. This is the new. That's one of the moon balls. That's the one that
these are both moon balls.
And then he has
Bouncy balls.
ginormous.
Oh, my mini poppets. This is new.
Not all
And
of
that
it's mini
poppet's new,
poppets.
but this is all like
Not
that.
all of it's mini poppets.
Yeah, because I can't
I
attach
wanna
those.
play
I don't have
with
any
this one again.
keychains. This is new, what my friend's mum got me when I went out. This from Phoebe. It doesn't have the rest of the keychains, so I'm very mad about that.
So
But-
she scammed you.
Kinda. But these girls were throwing poppets out of the window, and this random girl streeted this poppet and it hit me in the head. So I caught it. Yay, 3 poppets. Yeah, I really like this. Right, time for the big boys, Poppy. Show the big things. Show your bigness.
So first of all, this.
The
Let
big...
me show you something when I run. You might not be able to see. Finley, can you hold your camera at the beginning of the thing?
There was a lift up.
Yeah. But like, can you?
I can. Oh, the poppets are everywhere. The poppets are covering it too much. Dang it.
You
The
ready?
poppets are all on my charger lead
You
because I want to
ready?
get this
Finley,
video
don't
up.
block me.
Wow.
And now, let me through. Finley says this is a squishmallow. No, it isn't.
Hello. I like Among Us.
I should have showed this. It's a medium lion puppet.
It's a jumbo.
It's a medium.
Comment down below if you think that's a jumbo or medium.
It's a medium.
But either way, it's a lion. And I'm kind of jealous.
Finley, it is a medium. He said he has Naruto. He tried to stab me for it. And then my squishmallow.
Squishy mellow.
Who do you like more, Finley? That one or this one?
I live Among Us. But I love that thing as well. Right. Oh, forgot. Why is that outside of my room? I don't know. We got a new jumbo to the family. Identical to my sister's.
Just
It's
this
square.
one's more shiny.
This one's more shiny. It's got a little hanger thing so I can hang this onto my bag. Which I'm going to do.
Don't do that, Finley. Somebody might steal it.
Fair point. But that's the end of today's video, guys.